National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lincoln County in Middle Tennessee until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles northwest of Ardmore, or 10 miles southeast of Pulaski, and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Fayetteville and Petersburg. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Lincoln County, Tennessee.